Who can face truth? Can you? How about these birthday congratulations, these many, many happy returns on the day when everybody but you know there ain't gonna be any? Let's go out now and come on out on the gallery, watch the fireworks. I'm sorry, Big Daddy. My head don't work anymore, and it's hard for me to understand how anybody could care about whether he lived or died or was dying or about anything, whether or not there was liquor left in the bottle, and so I said what I said without thinking. In some ways I'm no better than the others. In some ways I'm worse because I'm less alive. Maybe it's the being alive that makes him lie, and being almost not alive makes me sort of accidentally truthful. I don't know, but anyway, we've been friends, and being friends is telling each other the truth. You told me, I told you.